What channel is this?
This makes me so nervous. What even is this? I've never even seen this at McDonald's. Okay, we're doing the letting the person in front of us decide what we're eating. This is like a 24-hour thing, but I don't feel like doing this for 24 hours because I also have dinner plans tonight. Also, I have a partnership with a certain beverage company where I'm not allowed to talk about other beverage companies. So we're gonna go get coffee first from McDonald's, and then
see how our stomach is.
I already have to poop and we haven't even eaten anything and I'm just like really stressed about it. Oh, also guys, there's this like really cool new merch bar right down here. You shot my shirt and all the other things. It's also a weird time of the day too. It's 2 p.m. so it's like, I don't know what people are gonna be ordering.
I hope we don't get like something that's like too caffeinated.
I've already had a grande this morning. So I'm a little concerned. Right. Okay, update. I forgot my wallet, so now Matt has to pay for everything. No, you literally do have to pay.
I do, but I'm glad to pay.
Okay, well I'm gonna Venmo you after.
No,
you don't have to. We pull up to our first destination. Right. Oh, I'm nervous. Why am I nervous?
There's no customer in front of us.
Yeah, no, we just pulled right. Oh, I'm on the curb.
Hey there, what can I get for you?
Hi, would I be able to get the same thing that the last person ordered?
The person in front of you actually had a mobile order.
Oh, can I get whatever the person before that had?
Yeah, let me just... Yeah, anything else?
Nope, that's everything. I feel like he kind of knows like what this video is and is like over it. He didn't even recap the order. Like usually they're like kind of confused and they're like, oh, are you sure you want this? But I feel like he was just like, okay.
I feel like they have good taste in front of us though.
Well, yeah, it's a Jaguar. But I don't know if that's the mobile order person. Also, I didn't know you can mobile order and pick up. Matt, can I have some money?
Yeah, here you go. If that card doesn't work because, you know, I gotta move some stuff, you can use this one.
In high school, I was always so stressed. I'd go get coffee and be like, please not insufficient funds, right? Please not insufficient funds.
No, you won't have that problem.
Okay, ideal situation, what do you want?
A water and maybe
like a cake pop.
Oh, a cake pop?
A cake pop. Honestly, like, I'd be so down with a salad. Ooh. Would be great. Nothing caffeinated because I already had. I'm up to my limit on caffeine and stuff.
I had a like right before I went to your house, so I hope there's no caffeine.
No almond milk because that makes my face explode.
Are you allergic?
Yeah.
You're allergic to almond milk?
I'm allergic to almonds. Like anaphylactic shock allergic.
Good to know. You should ask what they ordered first before you start drinking.
Nah, I just want the surprise.
I don't want a surprise. I don't have an
anaphylactic shock.
Yeah.
Surprise! Anaphylactic shock. Pre-order. Great, thank you so much. Have a good day.
That's all you ordered.
What the heck? Got a measly old. Is this a cold brew? What is this? That was the worst. Okay, hang on. Let me collect myself. Ooh, this is black.
Is it?
Yeah.
Do you drink it black? You don't like black coffee?
No.
I like black coffee.
So that one's all yours.
Okay,
I'm sorry, I just stuck my tongue.
No, that's okay.
That's just black, right?
No. There's sweetener in it. It's not black. Do you think this is black coffee?
Is that not black coffee?
There's a lot of sugar in it.
Terrible start. Terrible start. Next stop, McDonald's. Oh my god, I don't have my license. I just realized I have no money. I have no license either. Whew.
Should we be in the car?
It's 2:20. I guess people aren't eating lunch right now. But the car currently, there's no lineup. It's a green Mercedes, it looks like.
They have a kid in the back.
Oh, they got a kid in the back. Ooh, I would actually love a Happy Meal right now.
That'd be nice.
I could have turned left 14 times and I've missed all my opportunities. No. We're behind a gray Chevrolet
Malibu.
A Malibu. Guys, Mia did this video and she ended up with 7 cheeseburgers to herself. So that's what we're trying to not have happen. I would love like a Happy Meal. I would love some chicken nuggets with some sweet and sour sauce.
I might want to eat 7 cheeseburgers. Maybe like 3.
But even like just makes me feel nauseous thinking about that. Okay, here we go. Why does it make me so nervous?
Hello, we're gonna reach for that.
Hi, would I be able to get the same thing as the person in front of me?
Of course, that'll be all.
Yep, that's everything. Ooh, $11.73. That could be so many different combinations of things. Can I have money? When I used to teach music, I used to like answer phones to like set up makeup lessons for kids that were taking music lessons.
Wait.
When I used to teach music.
Makeup lessons.
Yeah, makeup. Oh no, not like makeup. Lessons. Like when they had to when they missed their lesson and had to like do one to make up for it. That's like why my voice goes up 19 octaves when I'm like, hi, like can I get the same thing as the person in front of me? Like my voice just goes up so high. It's my phone voice. That's a thing.
Mine is probably like.
Boys go lower.
Hello.
Yeah. $11. That could be so many different things. I'm excited.
Think.
He looks like a cheeseburger kind of guy.
Cheeseburger.
Or like a chicken kind of guy.
Selects.
What's chicken selects?
I don't know. What do you call those chicken tenders? Oh,
chicken tenders.
Chicken tenders.
I'm loyal to the nugs.
I don't know.
I'm loyal to the nugs.
I think those are the worst thing at the McDonald's menu, to be honest. Personally.
I am offended.
Don't be.
They're
not good.
Offended. What?
Yeah.
In your heart, you believe that.
I know that.
In your heart.
In my, right there. I thought it was a
that.
sauce, but it really was the nuggets.
I don't like sriracha.
I should go.
I'm gonna keep your debit card.
So what channel is this?
Excuse me?
Have people been doing this all day?
Alicia Murray was here yesterday.
Oh my god, that's one of my friends.
You guys are gonna have the same person?
Same person? Wow! What do we get? Do we get something good?
Not really, to be honest.
Oh no!
These cheeseburgers, a 10-piece, and a quarter pounder.
Hey, that's not bad.
That's not bad. That's good. Thank you so much.
Have a good one.
You too. That guy was really nice. That's so funny. Okay, Matt, I owe you a total of about
You're fine.
$14
You're
so
good.
far
You're good.
on our fast food tour. We have a quarter pounder, a cheeseburger, and
10-piece chicken nuggets. So we all got what we wanted. Yes.
Medium Coke.
oh, thank
There
you.
go. There's that food for you.
Awesome, thank you so much.
Tell me what channel was this?
Oh, LAUR DIY.
I'm gonna subscribe right now. Become a fan.
Hell yeah!
Gotta be part of the family.
Wow, we love an employee that supports. Okay, that's me.
Are we gonna talk about what's going on with James Charles or not?
Oh, the tea! Damien wants to talk about the tea right now. Bye, have a good one, thank you. Oh my god, I'm dead.
Ooh, this feels like a good bag.
Yo, this smells bomb.
Yes, please. Mmm.
Mm-hmm.
The best thing on the menu.
Best thing on the menu. Ooh, 2 cheeseburgers, a quarter pounder, a loose bag fry, and 10 nugs, but no sauce. Dang, we should ask Damien for some sauce.
Still a good order.
That was a good haul. Okay, where to next?
We got our drinks, we got our food. We need like a dessert.
Wait, does Dairy Queen do
Drive-through? They might.
4 miles? Oh, and it's in a mall. Does frozen yogurt do drive-through?
I've actually never heard of a dessert place that does drive-through.
Okay guys, I'm gonna cut and then we'll be back with a plan. Change of plans. I have a bunch of people working at my house right now, so we're just gonna do a second round of McDonald's. We're at a new McDonald's. I'm behind a Toyota Prius. Honestly, I just want a McFlurry. This is the real issue, is that I want a McFlurry. We haven't gotten a McFlurry yet.
They order a McFlurry.
Either way, we'll go bring home a McDonald's feast to everyone at my house, and it's gonna be fine. Because I was like, do I really want to mix Taco Bell and McDonald's in my stomach? Probably not.
Should I go knock on their door and tell them to order
Be like,
a
yo,
McFlurry?
I'm at McFlurry though, please. If I could read lips, I'd be able to see what she's ordering right now, because I like have a direct view of her face. Hi, would I be able to get the same thing as the person in front of me?
You sure?
Yep.
Okay.
That didn't sound reassuring.
Yeah, that didn't sound
though.
reassuring. He was like, are you sure? Man, I feel like she got something weird.
She probably got like a McFlurry with nothing in it, just the ice cream.
That'd be barbaric. Oh my god, he's looking at me. They're talking about us. They're talking about us. They're talking about us. I'm so stressed. I think he was telling her that we ordered the same thing as her. We got outed. This makes me so nervous. I hate the judgment involved with this video. Hi.
Hello.
What'd she get?
Big Mac, large chocolate chip frap, and a medium fry.
Chocolate chip frap? Yes!
I feel like I've seen you back on YouTube.
On YouTube? Yeah, that's what this is for. This is our second McDonald's we've done this at. And oh yes, dessert! Thank you so much. Okay, wait.
I'm glad you have that.
What even is this? I've never even seen this at McDonald's. Yo, that girl came
Looks delicious.
through. We'll do an official haul when we get home. I'm gonna continue driving without my license. Okay guys, we'll see you at home. Okay, we made it! Okay, haul time! Okay, I feel like people normally do this portion in the car, but I feel like to fully appreciate and also to make a spread for eating, for like the eating portion of this later, it makes more sense. Wow, it was just staring into my soul down there. Is this a medium or a large fry? I feel like in Canada this would be a large fry, but I feel like in America this might be a small fry. Y'all Americans do everything real big. I still like don't know what this is. This definitely has a whole lot of dairy in it. I feel like this is probably like a month's worth of calories. Moment of truth, moment of truth. Oh my god. Oh my god. Matt, try this. This is just like caramel infused.
Whoa, that's pretty good, but
That's so good, but that's like,
it's all caramel.
that's also gonna make me poop. Ooh, okay, Big Mac, beautiful, beautiful. Wow, we got a whole lot of bag fries. Our coffee from the first stop, we have that. Nugs. My pride and joy. That looks pretty good. Okay, we got a quarter pounder with cheese. She beautiful. And then 2 cheeseburgers. I think I want a cheeseburger and a few nugs. I think that's the move. This is a lot of McDonald's. I'm like a little overwhelmed. Maybe we should have gotten, no, you know what? I feel confident in my choice about not doing a Taco Bell run and just doing 2 McDonald's runs. I think that was wise and an overall pretty good idea. I officially feel terrible. Also, like, I feel like no one ever shows you eating all the food in the video, but oh god, oh god. Did work on the nugs, half my cheeseburger, fries, oh god, look, I'm like McDonald's drunk. I'm like, oh, fries. I just know that this will be a bad situation for everyone if I eat that. I don't feel good, I don't feel good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed it in the moment. I enjoyed it while eating. Don't enjoy it as much as I did 10 minutes ago while I was eating right now, but that's okay. We'll bounce back. I do every time I eat McDonald's. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't seen last Wednesday's weekly vlog, that'll be linked in the down bar below. And I have been working on so many fun DIYs for the following Sundays. I just wanted to do this video because I've been obsessed with watching them. I also was hoping to get a McFlurry based off someone else's order, but maybe another time. Oh god, I burped. Ugh. Oh god, my body does not feel good. It does not feel good. I'm McDonald's drunk, I swear to god. See you guys on Wednesday for weekly vlog, on Sunday for another Sunday DIY. Even though this wasn't a DIY, I'll see you guys on Sunday for an actual DIY. Okay, bye guys.
I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running.